In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Typeform step by step. Whether you're a beginner starting from scratch or someone looking to refine their skills, this tutorial covers everything you need to create an engaging form. First things first, you'll want to log into your Typeform account. Once you're in, you'll find yourself in what they call your workspace. This is your home base for managing your forms. If you don't have an account yet, don't worry. Simply head over to typeform.com. Sign up using Google, Microsoft, or your email, agree to their terms, and then verify your email to activate your account. Assuming you're all set in your workspace, let's create your first form by clicking on the Create a New Form button. Upon clicking, a menu will appear. Here, you'll want to select Start from Scratch. This is your window to creativity, bringing you directly into the form builder. In this builder, you're greeted with a pop-up menu filled with question types to choose from. This is where the fun starts. A default multiple choice question is added instantly in case you want a quick start. Think of it as a springboard to get you up and running. Now you might want to add your own twist or change things around a bit, so feel free to edit or remove that default question. Ready to add more questions? Simply click the Add Content button to enhance your form further. Again, you'll see the familiar question menu, offering you a variety of question types to choose from. Typeform might offer some question recommendations tailored to your needs. These suggestions are smartly based on responses from the initial welcome questionnaire. So if you mentioned using Typeform for gathering leads, be prepared to receive some practical suggestions about questions that help you gather contact info. Also, if you're curious about importing questions or integrating AI in your forms, do check the top of the menu where you'll find the relevant tabs. Now let's make your form visually appealing. You can spice things up by adding media, an image or a video perhaps. Just click the plus icon next to image or video to access their media gallery or upload your own files. To fine-tune the overall look of your form, head over to the Design tab. Play around with various color palettes, fonts, or even apply a theme to suit your brand or project. Once you're satisfied with your design, it's time to hit that Publish button. As soon as you do, your brilliant form is live and ready for the world to see. Don't forget, once it's published, anyone with the URL can access it. Lastly, hop over to the Share panel where you'll find the link or embed code. Sharing your form is super easy from here. Just remember, always provide the link to the published version, as results are collected only from there. And there you have it, a complete walkthrough of creating a Typeform from start to finish. Happy form building.